The iPhone is one of the most iconic devices ever created, transforming how we communicate, work, and experience the world around us. But have you ever stopped to wonder how this sleek, powerful gadget goes from an idea to something you can hold in your hand? The journey from concept to completion is a fascinating global process that combines cutting-edge technology, incredible craftsmanship, and meticulous attention to detail. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on how some of the world's most fascinating products are made. Now, let's get started with the incredible story of how an iPhone is made. Every iPhone begins its life not in a factory, but in the creative labs of Apple's headquarters in Cupertino, California. Here, teams of designers, engineers, and visionaries come together to conceptualize what the next iteration of the iPhone will look and feel like. The process starts with intense brainstorming sessions, where market trends, user feedback, and emerging technologies are analyzed. The goal is simple yet monumental: to craft a device that pushes the boundaries while maintaining Apple's hallmark simplicity and elegance. Once the initial concept takes place, the focus shifts to research and development. This stage involves rigorous testing of new ideas, such as innovative materials, enhanced hardware, or revolutionary features. Apple's design team works on every detail, from smooth edges of the device to the placement of buttons, ensuring the iPhone not only looks stunning, but feels intuitive in the user's hand. Prototyping is the next critical step. Early models are created to test the feasibility of new features and overall functionality. Dozens of prototypes might be developed, each one tweaked and refined based on performance tests and feedback. This process ensures that by the time an iPhone reaches production, every aspect of its design is meticulously fine-tuned to perfection. The creation of an iPhone begins with gathering the essential raw materials needed to bring its advanced features to life. Each device contains a complex mix of over 60 different elements sourced from across the globe, making the process both intricate and vital to its success. Key materials like lithium for the battery, cobalt for stability, gold for circuitry, and rare earth elements for the speakers and motors are mined from various parts of the world. These resources are critical for ensuring the iPhone's efficiency, durability, and signature performance. For example, lithium comes primarily from South America's Lithium Triangle, while cobalt is often mined in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Apple works with its suppliers to promote ethical and sustainable mining practices. The company has made significant efforts to map its supply chains, ensuring materials are obtained responsibly and that miners' rights are protected. They also recycle components from older devices to reduce dependency on newly mined materials, showcasing a commitment to sustainability. Once these materials are extracted, they're shipped to the processing facilities where they're refined and prepared for use. From there, the refined components are sent to manufacturing plants, where they'll be transformed into the parts that make up the core of the iPhone. Each step in this sourcing process is crucial to ensuring the quality and reliability of the final product, laying the foundation for everything that follows. Once the raw materials are sourced and refined, the next stage is manufacturing the components that will form the core of the iPhone. This involves a global network of specialized facilities, each tasked with creating specific parts to the exacting standards Apple demands. One of the most critical components is the A series chip, often referred to as the brain of the iPhone. These processors are manufactured using an advanced method called extreme ultraviolet lithography, allowing billions of transistors to fit onto a single chip. This process is carried out in ultra-clean fabrication facilities, primarily by Apple's manufacturing partner, TSMC, based in Taiwan. The result is a chip that delivers the incredible speed and energy efficiency iPhones are known for. Stick around to the end of the video because you'll be amazed what it takes to complete an iPhone and get it into customers' hands. The Retina display, another hallmark feature, is crafted in South Korea and Japan. The process involves creating thin layers of glass, embedding organic light-emitting diodes for vibrant colors and sharp resolution. The precision required to produce these displays ensures every detail, from the brightness to the touch sensitivity, is flawless. The camera system is equally remarkable. Manufacturers produce individual lenses and sensors that capture stunningly detailed photos and videos. The tiny lenses are polished to perfection, while the sensors undergo rigorous calibration to handle low light conditions, motion stabilization, and other advanced photography features. The housing and body of the iPhone, often made from aerospace-grade aluminum or stainless steel, are meticulously crafted to ensure strength and durability. These materials are precision machined and anodized in various colors, giving the device its sleek and polished look. Every component is subject to stringent quality checks before it leaves its respective facility. Only after passing these tests are the parts shipped to the assembly plants. At this stage, the iPhone's components are ready to come together, setting the stage for the assembly process that transforms individual parts into a cohesive and functional device. With all the components manufactured and quality tested, the iPhone begins to take shape through a sophisticated assembly process. This is where the individual pieces come together to form the final product. The assembly plants, primarily located in China and operated by partners like Foxconn and Pegatron, are hubs of precision engineering and human expertise. The process starts with the assembly line, where the iPhone's casing is fitted with its internal components. Robots and skilled workers collaborate seamlessly to install the motherboard, processor, and battery. These parts are connected with microscopic precision to ensure optimal performance. The display is then carefully aligned and secured, followed by the placement of the camera system. Each step involves meticulous care to avoid even the slightest imperfection. The devices are then wired for functionality, with tiny connectors and cables linking the various components. This step requires incredible attention to detail, as the iPhone's sleek design leaves no room for error. Advanced machines handle tasks like soldering and screwing in components, while workers inspect each unit for any signs of misalignment or flaws. Once assembled, the iPhone undergoes rigorous testing. Machines simulate various scenarios such as drops, temperature changes, and pressure to ensure durability. Each device is also checked for signal strength, touchscreen responsiveness, and camera performance. Apple's commitment to quality ensures that every phone leaving the factory meets their high standards. One of the most remarkable aspects of the assembly process is its efficiency. Despite the complexity, hundreds of thousands of iPhones are produced daily. This is made possible by streamlined workflows, advanced robotics, and the dedication of thousands of skilled workers. By the end of this stage, the iPhone is no longer just a collection of parts. It's a fully functioning device, ready to receive its software and prepare for the journey to the customer. Once the iPhone is fully assembled and hardware testing is complete, the next critical step is integrating its software. This is where the device transforms from a sophisticated piece of machinery into a smart, interactive tool. Each iPhone is preloaded with iOS, Apple's proprietary operating system. This software is developed alongside the hardware, ensuring seamless compatibility and optimized performance. The process involves installing iOS onto each device through a streamlined and automated system. During this step, the iPhone's internal components like the processor, display, and sensors are calibrated to work perfectly with the operating system. Apple also preloads essential apps such as Safari, Messages, and the App Store, making the iPhone functional right out of the box. The software undergoes thorough testing to ensure it operates flawlessly on every device. Specialized diagnostic tools check for speed, responsiveness, and app stability. For instance, the camera app is tested for color accuracy, autofocus precision, and smooth transitions between modes. Another key aspect of this phase is security. Each iPhone is programmed with encryption and authentication features such as Face ID or Touch ID, depending on the model. This ensures that every device is secure and ready for personalization by its future owner. Finally, iCloud integration is set up to provide users with seamless access to their data across Apple devices. This step ensures that once a customer powers on their iPhone, they can quickly log in, sync their information, and begin using the device without delays. By the end of the software integration process, the iPhone is a complete package, hardware and software perfectly fused. It's now ready for packaging and its journey to consumers worldwide. With the hardware and software fully integrated and tested, the final stage of the iPhone's journey begins: packaging and shipping. This step is just as important as the manufacturing and assembly processes, ensuring the device reaches customers in pristine condition. The packaging process starts with Apple's commitment to sustainability. Each iPhone is placed in a sleek, minimalistic box made from recyclable materials. The interior is designed with precision to keep the device secure along with its accessories, including the charging cable and documentation. Apple has increasingly focused on reducing waste, phasing out plastic wraps, and replacing them with eco-friendly alternatives such as paper pull tabs. Before the packaging is sealed, a final inspection is conducted to confirm the device's quality. This includes ensuring the iPhone fits snugly in its box and that all components such as the charging cable and instructional materials are included. Once approved, the box is sealed and ready for transport. Shipping logistics are a marvel in themselves. iPhones are shipped from assembly plants to distribution centers worldwide. Apple uses a sophisticated network of air, sea, and land transportation to ensure timely delivery. Each shipment is tracked to maintain security and efficiency, ensuring that products reach retailers and customers without delay. At retail locations, the iPhones are unpacked and displayed in store, while many others are shipped directly to customers who pre-ordered or purchased online. The process is streamlined to handle the massive demand generated during new product launches. By the time the iPhone arrives in your hands, it has traveled thousands of miles, undergone countless tests, and passed through the hands of experts dedicated to ensuring its quality. This final step brings the iPhone's remarkable journey full circle, ready to become an integral part of your daily life. The journey of an iPhone from concept to completion is nothing short of extraordinary. It begins with innovative design and meticulous planning, moves through a global network of material sourcing and component manufacturing, and culminates in precise assembly, rigorous software integration, and careful packaging. Every step in this process is a salute to the engineering brilliance and commitment to quality that have made the iPhone an icon. If you enjoyed learning about how the iPhone is made, be sure to check out our other videos that dive into the production stories of some of the world's most fascinating products. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.